Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an extension for taxes electronically. First, understand that an extension gives you an extra 6 months to file your federal tax return, but it does not extend the time to pay any taxes you owe. You must still estimate your tax liability and pay any amount due by the original tax deadline to avoid penalties. This process helps you avoid late filing penalties while giving you more time to prepare your return accurately. There are several convenient ways to file your tax extension electronically. You can use IRS Direct Pay to make a payment and simply indicate that the payment is for an extension. Many popular tax software programs also include a straightforward option to electronically file Form 4868. Alternatively, a trusted tax professional can easily submit this form on your behalf, ensuring everything is handled correctly and efficiently. When filing your extension, you will need a few key pieces of information. Be sure to have your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number readily available. You will also need to provide your current address and a good faith estimate of your tax liability for the year. Finally, clearly indicate the specific tax year for which you are requesting the extension to ensure it is processed correctly. Remember these crucial points when filing your extension. You must submit Form 4868 by the original tax deadline, which is typically April 15. While an extension grants more time to file, penalties may still apply if you fail to pay your estimated taxes on time. Always keep a copy of your extension request for your personal records, confirming your submission and providing peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.